Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to share your game library with friends on Steam. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open Steam and make sure you are logged into your account. From here, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on Steam. A small menu will appear. From this menu, click on Settings. Once the Steam Settings window opens, look at the menu on the left side and click on Family. Now, if you haven't created your family yet, you will see the option Create or Join Family. Then you simply need to create your Steam family. Once your Steam family has been successfully created, you will see an interface similar to this. From here, you need to click on Manage Your Steam Library. And after clicking on it, you will be taken to this page where you can manage and share your library with your family members. After creating the family, the next step is to invite a member. The person you want to share your library with must be on your friends list. Simply click on Invite a Member. Choose Search Friend List and find the friend you want to add. Click on their account and then select Invite as Adult if the account belongs to an adult user. After that, click Invite to send the invitation. The other person will now need to accept the invitation. On their Steam account, they should click on the notifications icon in the top right corner. Once the invitation is accepted, the library sharing will be enabled. When the second account opens their Steam library, they will see games labeled From Steam Family Library. They can then install and play those games directly from the shared library, and that's it. So that's basically how you can share your game library with friends on Steam. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.